Balik, 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 uy, balik, hindi pa tapos. Ibibidyo ko yun.
Bibidyo lang.
Okay, 92-52, welcome to the semis, Team Oryx. Balik mo po tayo. Ayan ha, ayan ha, Team Oryx, yan ha. Okay. Thank you. Okay, sino pang POG? Okay, POG po. Okay, defensive players, Mr. Nagatomo, and of course, si Breton, best player of the game. Okay, Breton. Melvin, post-game, kasama interview kita. Diyan ka lang. Okay, Mr. Nagatomo, congratulations also. Dalawa po kayo. Post-game.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, interview. Okay, Mr. Nagatomo, Mr. Breton, congratulations and welcome to the semis. I believe so. You set up a date now again with Airport United. What do we expect now next week? Yan.
Kailangan bumawi.
Yeah, because we remember well, no? The 3 points of Benson changed the game completely and giving a point now and victory for AU. Mr. Nagatomo, congratulations.
Thank you very much. We'll just focus on the basement, fundamental defense, round. That's our biggest advantage. Round.
And what to expect of Mr. Nagatomo? Because I tell you, set up a date again with Airport United. For sure, I will expect fireworks also. It will be a great game also next week. Yes.
Well, just to keep everything just for the round and then trap defense and steal everything that we're gonna high percentage of the scoring. That's
Good.
it.
Okay, for sure natin, we have to go na. No? Okay, Mr. Breton, ikaw muna. 1-0. Sige, bati-bati naman. Sige. Shoutout. Sige po. Okay, Mr. Nagatomo, ayaw niya. Mr. Nagatomo, okay, greet everyone you want, you like. Okay, even if you're in Nihongo, no problem also.
Okay, thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Elko, of course now, with me now, thank you sir. With me now, Mr. Melvin, the team owner, stakeholder, or what is it? Mr. Melvin, congratulations. I think so. You set up again the date and a game again with Airport United. And what to expect now? For sure, they're watching also. Yeah.
Of course, first of all, thanks be to God.
Yes, of course.
For the win.
Yes.
Okay, it's sad to say na na-injured si Nuri.
Yes, ano kasi na.
Because of that, yung meeting nila. Pero because of that, it's a big factor. Kaya nanalo kami. Plus, all my players did a very good job on defense. Kaya nga di ba pag may defense,
May
lalabas yung defense.
Okay now, Mr. Melvin, now what to expect now? I believe so. Game number 1 of the eliminations, they won by a 3-point of Mansol. Now what to expect now? I believe so. We will see now another game, a completely high-octane game also next week.
The same thing what we did today. Yun lang. First thing, we need to focus on defense.
Okay.
That's the first thing. Because last time, I think we did overconfident.
Possibly, okay.
Over AU.
But take that. AU is AU.
Yes, this is the thing. No? That's why we lost on that game. Okay, because of the defense. We need to maintain our defense. Because AU is mostly young flight attendant, mostly young guns.
Young guns, yes.
That's the thing.
Yeah, another generative young team. Okay, Mr. Melvin, great now. You want whoever you want. Okay, sige. Tagalog, pwede yan. Sige.
Team Oryx, sana bigyan na din ng pagkakataon sa semis. Sana manalo ulit and kahit sa family ko and sa lahat ng kaibigan ko. Team Oryx, all the way.
Okay, that's Mr. Melvin. Owner po ng Team Oryx po yan. Maraming salamat, Sir Melvin. And of course, again, ay Tiso, meron bang activity bang Team Oryx po sa ligang labas din? O wala pa? Saan liga? Saan liga ba makita?
Upcoming magiging ni Chef.
Chef Mano, Team Oryx Ulisino. The night time liga.
Karamihan Airport United.
Okay. At so, si rin. Isa pa. Si Dirk Barroso. Yan. Maraming sa Sir Melvin. Congrats po and good luck po ha. Team Oryx versus AU. Next week po yan sa ating main event. Maraming salamat po.